Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Ethel Jane Pineda D., 34 years old, currently living at Barangay Kalibungan, Victoria, Tarlac. I am married with one son, 2 years old, and my husband is working overseas as a seafarer. I am applying as a domestic helper in Hong Kong to provide the needs of our son. I worked before as a domestic helper in Lebanon for 8 years, where I share my work with a co-Filipina. In Lebanon, we took care of 4 children, ages 3, 7, 9, and a newborn. Working there, most of the time I cook Lebanese food or Arabic food. We clean the house, iron clothes, wash dishes, car washed. We go to market. And my second experience is Hong Kong. I finished my contract uh, last last August 2020. Working there, I share my work with a co-Filipina also, but my assigned work is cooking. I go to market. Most of the food that I cook is Chinese food. Um, we clean the house, iron clothes, wash clothes, car wash. We prepare the kids to go to school. Sometimes we take the kids in school and then we get them again because my sir is working outside of Hong Kong. That's why most of the time we rely with my madam. Now I am again interested in working in Hong Kong and looking forward to choose me so that I can go back and work again. Thank you.